Ever felt overwhelmed when trying to find your niche in the vast world of affiliate marketing? If you've nodded in agreement, know that you're not alone. Many affiliate marketers have faced the same challenge, often feeling like a small fish in a big pond. The key hurdle is choosing a niche that not only promises profitable returns, but also matches your passion and expertise. After all, how can you effectively market a product or service you don't feel strongly about or lack knowledge in? It's like trying to navigate a ship without a compass. However, the sea of affiliate marketing is also ripe with opportunities. Each wave brings a new trend, a new product, a new niche waiting to be discovered. What you need is not to cast your net wider, but to cast it smarter. Finding a niche in affiliate marketing doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about understanding your strengths and interests. Ready to discover your perfect niche in affiliate marketing? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. First things first, research is essential. It's like a compass, guiding you through the vast sea of possibilities. Start by listing down your interests and areas of expertise. This could be anything from tech gadgets to beauty products or even a unique hobby. Next, find out if there is a demand for the products in your area of interest. You can use online tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to gauge the popularity of the products. Remember, the higher the demand, the more opportunities for affiliate sales. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Who are they? What are their interests and needs? How can you provide value to them? These are the questions you need to answer. This knowledge will help you tailor your content and marketing strategies to attract and engage them effectively. Now let's talk about competition. Evaluating your competition allows you to understand what's already out there. What are they doing well? Where are they falling short? This will give you insights into potential opportunities for differentiation. Choosing a niche that aligns with your passion and knowledge is vital. It's like fuel to your engine. It keeps you going, even when the going gets tough. Your passion will reflect in your content, making it authentic and engaging. Your knowledge will establish you as an authority, making your recommendations credible. Lastly, don't forget to consider the profitability of the niche. You can check the average commission rates for the products in your chosen niche. This will give you an idea of the potential earnings. This step-by-step guide is a compass, guiding you towards your perfect niche in affiliate marketing. But remember, it's not just about finding a niche. It's about finding a niche where you can provide value, differentiate yourself, and thrive. Remember, the key to a successful affiliate marketing business is finding a niche where you can provide value and stand out from the competition. Let's recap the key points to remember when searching for your niche in affiliate marketing. First and foremost, research is the foundation of your journey. It's not just about finding a product or service to promote, but understanding the market for it. Dig deep, examine trends, and explore potential opportunities. You're not just looking for a niche, you're looking for a niche that you can excel in. Next, know your target audience like the back of your hand. What are their needs, their wants, their pain points? The more you understand them, the better you can cater to them. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're solving a problem. Lastly, don't shy away from evaluating the competition. It's not about fearing them, it's about learning from them. Understand their strategies, their strengths, their weaknesses. Use this knowledge to your advantage. With these tips, you're now equipped to find your niche and start your journey in affiliate marketing. Finding your niche in affiliate marketing is just the beginning of your journey. It's the first step towards building a successful business. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your empire. It's a process, a journey, a path that's paved with both challenges and rewards. And the rewards, they can be monumental. Imagine having the freedom to work on your terms, to choose your clients, to determine your own income. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, working from anywhere in the world. This is the potential reward of a successful affiliate marketing business. But none of this comes without effort. It requires dedication, hard work, and a keen understanding of your chosen niche. It requires you to be persistent, to be resilient, to be relentless in your pursuit of success. So, are you ready to take the plunge, to embark on this exciting journey? Now it's time to put these tips into action and find your niche in affiliate marketing. Good luck on your journey.